Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can update your Windows 10 PC manually. So to do this, just on your taskbar, find the little Windows icon, the start button, click on that, and then go down and find the little gear here that's above where it says power and it's going to say settings. We're going to click on that option there. And then that brings us into the Windows settings, and in this little search bar we're going to type in update. And then the top option should say something along the lines of check for updates. So we're going to click on that. And then right here under the Windows update, it's going to say whether you're currently up to date or not in the last time that this was checked. And for me, that was yesterday. So I'm all up to date at this point in time, but also I can just manually check for updates by clicking this button right here. And then you also have some other different options here, like viewing your update history. You can change the active hours. So these are a period of time when your computer isn't going to go into update mode. You can pause updates for the next week, and then some other advanced options beyond that. But if you're just looking to go in and make sure that your Windows 10 PC is up to date, just follow these steps. Check in this area. If you have a little green check mark right here, that means you're all up to date and ready to go. Or you can just click this button right here and check manually to see if there's anything that needs updating. So that's going to wrap this one up, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys back here for future videos.